To remove your controller, you'll need to disconnect the wiring. There are 3 points, one in the front right by the wheel, one on the front left by the frame, and a screw connector on the left side by your pedal. Once your cables are disconnected, you'll need to remove these 4 bolts. To loosen them, turn them all counterclockwise with a number 3 or 3mm Allen key. And then remove the controller from the frame. Your new controller should come with 4 screws and 2 brackets. We want to make sure that the 2 connectors are facing in the front and the 1 screw connector is in the back of the frame. To start the reassembly, we're going to preset the screws and bracket on one side of the controller. This will allow us to attach it easier down the road. Place the new controller on the bottom of the frame and swing those brackets over. Put screws through on the other side and hand tighten everything down. We like to leave about 2 fingers worth of distance between the controller and the folding mechanism. Tighten down your screws the rest of the way. Carefully reconnect your connectors by lining up the arrows and pressing firmly. And finally, reattach your screw connection, ensuring it's under and out of the way of the pedal.